Promoting your e-commerce website for free involves a mix of organic strategies and leveraging online platforms. Optimize SEO. Ensure your website is optimized for search engines. Use relevant keywords in product descriptions, titles, and meta tags. Regularly publish quality content like blog posts or guides related to your products to improve search rankings. Leverage social media. Create engaging content on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Share product photos, user-generated content, and behind-the-scenes glimpses. Engage with your audience by hosting polls, giveaways, or live sessions. Content marketing. Start a blog or create valuable content related to your niche. Share these articles or videos on your website and social media. Offer insights, tips, or guides that would interest your target audience. Email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters, product updates, exclusive offers, or curated content to your subscribers. Personalize the content to cater to their interests. Online communities and forums. Participate in forums, Reddit threads, or online communities related to your products. Offer valuable advice without directly promoting, building trust and authority in your niche. Collaborate and network. Partner with complementary businesses or influencers for cross-promotions, guest posts, or joint giveaways to expand your reach.